Robotics has come a long way in recent years, and engineers and scientists have been developing robots that mimic the movements and behaviors of animals. These robots are designed to perform various tasks, from exploration to search and rescue missions. In this video, we'll look at some of today's most amazing robots. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Cheetah Robot. The Cheetah Robot, developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, is a robot that mimics the movements of a cheetah. It's designed to move quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for search and rescue missions in rugged terrain. The Cheetah Robot can run up to 30 miles per hour and jump over obstacles up to 18 inches tall. With its advanced sensors and algorithms, the Cheetah Robot is a true engineering marvel. RoboFish. RoboFish, developed by researchers at MIT, is a robot that looks and swims like a fish. It's designed to explore underwater environments and can swim through tight spaces that other robots can't. The RoboFish also has sensors that can detect pollution and other environmental factors. It's an excellent tool for monitoring the health of our oceans and waterways. RoboBees. RoboBees, developed by researchers at Harvard University, are tiny robots that look and fly like bees. They're designed to pollinate crops and can be used for search and rescue missions in tight spaces. RoboBees are incredibly small, measuring just a few centimeters in size, and a tiny battery powers them. With their advanced algorithms and sensors, RoboBees are a great example of how robotics can be used to address real-world problems. Bionic Kangaroo. The Bionic Kangaroo, developed by Festo, is a robot that mimics the movements of a kangaroo. It's designed to be energy efficient and can store and reuse energy from its movements. The Bionic Kangaroo can jump over obstacles and move quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for search and rescue missions. With its advanced mechanics and energy-saving features, the Bionic Kangaroo is a great example of how nature can inspire robotics. Aquatic Drones. Aquatic drones can explore the ocean and collect environmental data. These drones are equipped with various sensors including temperature, salinity, and even cameras. They can travel long distances and collect data on everything from ocean currents to marine life. With their advanced capabilities, aquatic drones are a great tool for monitoring and understanding our oceans. Spot Robot. Spot, developed by Boston Dynamics, is a four-legged robot that can traverse through rough terrain and perform various tasks, including inspecting construction sites and monitoring industrial equipment. Spot is equipped with advanced sensors and can navigate complex environments with ease. It's also customizable, allowing it to be tailored to various tasks. Robotic Jellyfish. Robotic jellyfish, developed by researchers at Virginia Tech, are robots that swim like jellyfish. They're designed to explore the ocean and can be used for various tasks, from monitoring ocean currents to collecting data on marine life. With their soft, flexible bodies and advanced sensors, robotic jellyfish are a great example of how robotics can mimic animal movements. Snake-like robotic arm. The snake-like robotic arm is a robotic arm that mimics the movement of a snake. It's designed to be used in manufacturing, particularly for tasks that require flexibility and precision. The snake-like robotic arm is equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms, allowing it to adjust its movements in real time. Spot Mini Dog Robot. Spot Mini, developed by Boston Dynamics, is a robot that looks and moves like a dog. It's designed to be agile and able to navigate through complex environments, making it a great tool for search and rescue missions. Spot Mini is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles as it moves. Penguin Robot. Penguin robots, developed by Festo, are robots that look and move like penguins. Penguin robots are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms, allowing them to move with precision and efficiency. Robotic Butterfly. Robotic butterflies, developed by researchers at Singapore's Nanyang Technological University, are robots that look and fly like butterflies. They're designed to be used in indoor environments such as factories and warehouses to monitor and inspect machinery. Robotic snake. Robotic snakes, developed by Carnegie Mellon University, are robots that mimic the movements of snakes. They're designed to be used in search and rescue missions, particularly in environments where humans can't safely reach. Robotic snakes are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, allowing them to detect and navigate through obstacles as they move. Bird-like robot. The bird-like robot, developed by researchers at Stanford University, is a robot that mimics the flight of a bird. It's designed to be used for surveillance and monitoring in outdoor environments. The bird-like robot is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, allowing it to navigate through the air and collect data. Bionicopter. The Bionicopter is a robot developed by Festo that mimics the flight of a dragonfly. It's equipped with 4 wings that can move independently, allowing it to fly in all directions, hover, and glide. The Bionicopter is controlled by a smartphone app that is able to fly for up to 8 minutes on a single charge. It's been used for research and educational purposes, as well as for public demonstrations. Scorpio Hexapod. The Scorpio Hexapod is a robot developed by Robot Shop that mimics the movement of a scorpion. It's equipped with 6 legs and a tail that can be used for balance and movement. The Scorpio Hexapod is controlled by a smartphone app and is able to move in all directions, climb over obstacles, and even dance. It's designed for educational and entertainment purposes and is a popular tool for learning about robotics and programming. Arracuda. The Arracuda is a robot developed by Festo that mimics the movement of a fish. It's designed to be used in industrial applications such as transportation and handling of objects. The Arracuda is equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms, allowing it to move with precision and efficiency. It's able to swim in all directions and can even swim backwards. The Arracuda is controlled by a smartphone app and can be customized for specific applications. Bionic ants. Bionic ants are robotic ants developed by Festo that mimic the behavior of real ants. They are lightweight, able to move efficiently over rough terrain, and equipped with communication systems to exchange information with each other. They are autonomous and can make decisions on their own based on their surroundings. They have potential applications in fields such as logistics, manufacturing, environmental monitoring, and search and rescue. And that concludes our list of some of the most amazing robots that exist today. What do you think? Which robot on our list do you find the most amazing? Are there any robots that you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends who also love robots. Thanks for watching.